Hello everyone, welcome once again to an exciting video. So in the journey of Ollama and your local LMs, we reached at the point where we need to learn about how we can invoke the local LLMs using the API. Because in the developer world, if you have not learned how to use the APIs, right, or how to call using the API, then it would be very difficult to create any application, because each and every application or either mobile application or web application, they use the API calls. Even if you are seeing any of the chat bots or chat agent on any of the e-commerce application or any application, right, so at the backend they are using the API, they are calling the uh, LLM's API, right? So let me teach you how you can invoke your Ollama or the local LLMs via the API. So without much talk, let's go on the console. So first thing, you need to verify that your Ollama should be running, right? So how you can check that? Ollama hyphen version, right? So I'm using this version. So now next thing, what you need to check, you need to check how many models you have, right? So how you check? Ollama ls, right, or the list command. So make sure you have already installed the models locally, right? So if you don't know how to install the model locally or how to choose the models, so you can watch my previous videos on the Ollama basics. I'll give the link on the I button or in the description, right? So you can find that. So now we have these models. So this is cloud model, and these models are installed locally, right? So since this is a cloud model, we are not seeing the size, and since these are installed locally, you able to see how much space they are grabbing. So I'll be using Llama 3 or Gemma 2 to demo for the API calls, right? So next thing we need the so next thing, we need application from where we can do the post request. So the best thing is the Postman, right? So let me open that. I hope you are already familiar with the Postman, right? So how to send the request. If not, you let me in the comments. I'll create a video on that and tell you how to do that. So let me go here and create a new request. Let me change it to post. So one thing to make sure, right? So you need to use this URL, right? HTTP localhost at port 11434, right? So the Ollama generally runs on this. This is the default port for Ollama. So make sure you are using this. If you are facing any error, so make sure you restart your machine, or if you know how to clear your ports, right? You can clear this port, restart your Ollama, and then definitely it will work, right? And then what you need to do? You need to go on body, because we need to send some configuration, right? Go raw and then JSON. You will find lots of, make sure you are choosing the JSON, not something else. Next, so we need to send the JSON. So first thing what we need to send is model, right? And I'm going to use Llama 3.2. So we have Llama 3.2 and Gemma as well, and Gemma 4 as well. So let me use Llama 2 as of now, comma. So the next parameter is message, right? The message needs to go in the array, since we are going to pass many parameters. So let me pass here role, right? So first I'm a user, right? So you can give the system message and all if you want to send the prompt. So you can check my other videos, what prompts and what prompt engineering. I have created a dedicated playlist on prompt engineering, right? And then I'll give a content, right? So what is BODMAS? Give me example, right? So let's ask some math problem. And once this is completed, the next parameter you need to give is, right, whether you want streaming or not. Since we are sending the API request, we do not want the streaming. If you want streaming, you need to set up the WebSocket, right? So let me do the streaming is false, right? Now let me send this request and see the response, right? So make sure you are using post, and this is the URL, this is the message, right? You can change the message here, you can give other prompts and all those things. So let me send it. Since this is a local model, my machine is not too powerful, so that's why it is taking bit a longer time. But let's see how it gives us the response, right? Whether this API is successful or not. So the test is whether this API is working or not, right? So let's wait, and it has returned the result in 3 minutes 9 seconds, right? Which is too much, and this time depends on how powerful your machine is. Let's see if the response, what response it has given, right? So this is a mathematical concept, BODMAS, right? So now it is giving some examples over here, right? Now it is working fine, right? So now done is true, right? Done reason stop, right? Once it is done though, so it will stop it. Now it is giving some response. Now let me test the cloud model, right? So we have one cloud model. Let me test that whether it is taking the API request or not, right? So let me change this model here, send the same request, right? So send, let's wait. Since this is a cloud model, it should not depend on my machine. Let's see how fast it gives us the response. So I'll fast forward these things, right? And I'll show you the time over here, how much time it took to response. All these things are free resources. I'm not sure whether how much load it can handle, right? But we are just testing it, right? So let's see. Yeah, so it has given us the response in 1 minute 48 second, right? You can see that it has given us the response, though it is a faster than the previous one, right? So now you can see that it is successful. Now it has given some different kinds of response. So message, role is assistant, content, right? The way we are giving here, right? Message, then the role, then the content, right? We are user and giving this. So we should do better prompting as well. Here we are just giving some generic kind of thing. We should give system prompts and all those. So if you don't know what is prompt, I have created a dedicated playlist on all types of prompting. You can definitely check it out. And yeah, let's see the thinking, and then it is responded, right? So I think it is giving a correct response, right? So let check one more thing. This is the chat model, right? Whether you need to give the message like this, but one is the generation thing as well. So instead of chat, what you can write, generate, right? Where you need not to give something like this, right? Model message, right? Instead of message, what you need to do, you need to give the prompt, right? So in the prompt, what you can say, uh, give what, let's give the same problem, right? So what is BODMAS, give me example, right? Now you need to let me know what is difference between chat and generate. Now previously we have used chat, right, where we need to give systematically uh, the prompts, what is system prompt, what is user prompt, right? So that is the actual way of working with the APIs, right, in the LLM. So I prefer you use that way, but in sometimes we need to use generic, right, things where we just want to ask answers or something like that. So you can use this generate method as well, right? So let me send this, and let's wait how much time does it take to generate the response. So by the time it is happening, you can let me know in the comment, right, whether this worked for you. If you are facing any issue, do let me know in the comment. I usually check the comments for uh, 3-4 days, right? And if you face any issue, then please let me know, right? I'll definitely try to help you. Now this has given us the response faster. Now see the difference between chat and generate, right? So chat analyzes each and everything, it tries to get the system prompt and all those things. Generate, it's a random one, right? And this is fast, right? So you can see it has responded us within 21 seconds only, right? So it has also given the example and all, right? So this is all about how you can call the APIs on your local models. So I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. If so, please subscribe this channel to get the notification for upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit the like button. Also, do let me know your feedback in the comment box, right? Which next content you want to see, right? Whether this helped or not. So until then, have a great day. Bye bye.